Look to the Vcamera Pro. Now I open Vcamera Pro new version APK 2026. It's a new version KYC bypass tool. It's work any KYC verification like Uber, dating apps, bank KYC. All APK are working better. Looks now open virtual camera setting. Then log in. Choose local video. You can select any photo, video, no problems. First of all, I show you how to verify it. Now I select any videos. Look, select a videos, then suppose just a review. Save and then close the tabs. Now I open Vcamera Pro. Wait and log in and click Uber driver. It's open. Looks, here is Uber driver. Click OK. Then open your account with Vcamera Pro. This is my account. NID format. First you select your NID. No problem. As usual. This is my add video. You can edit your NID and then select it. Look, this is working very well. Uber KYC. You can choose selfie bypass and NID bypass. You can select any zoom in, zoom out. Just set up and upload it. Okay, I back it. Okay, I don't upload an ID card. Then I go to my profile. Looks, take a photo. And it's open. Uber drivers. This is set up it your clear video and photo. It's verified. It's good working. First you set up it the right frame. Okay, looks, this is work very well. Then dismiss it. Good job. I don't upload because it's not my photo. It's worked very well. So I back to my APK Vcamera Pro. If you are beginner, then choose the plus button and edit any APK in your Vcamera Pro. Likes, I added India. It's working India, Colombia. It's working Nihu apps, Nuban, Brazil banks. Also working very well. ATM, Jangi app, Zio. I open this. It's also good working. This APK. You can edit many APK, no problems. Social media platform, Messenger working on it. That's it, my brother, my friends, guys. Who's the apps needed? Please contact the admin. Go to the description box. Here Telegram link and WhatsApp link. Okay, good job.